Hi, it's me. Today I just wanted to talk about how Iguana integrates with Snowflake database. Typically, Iguana can interact is through the ODBC, and Snowflake does provide the ODBC drivers, so it's going to be straightforward for Iguana to integrate. To get started, you will need to click on the start for free, or if you already have one, you don't have to sign up for it. Once you have it, it will be something look like this, very similar in this worksheet dashboard here. So there are a few components that you needed to retrieve information from. First one is you need to click on the your account and have account URL. And to look at what does account URL look like, it would be something similar, depends on are you deploying this Snowflakes on Azure or AWS? Then will provide the subdomain name with snowflakescomputing.com. Once you have that, you need to go to the user and roles, and you need to create the user that you needed to integrate with using ODBC. So in this case, I have my test here. Am I using default warehouse with compute WH? And I have the account admin roles as a tested. So this is what you need to configure. Besides that, you need to understand where's your database and what is the schema is going to look like. From there, I can just use one of the worksheets I have been play around with it with this kind of select queries here. I'm accessing using the Snowflake sample data database, and I'm using the TPCH SF1 as a schema. Okay, so without further ado, you can get started. Once you have downloaded the ODBC driver, you need to go to the ODBC admin here. You can create the new admin, choose the Snowflake DSII driver. Once you have the driver, it will be something similar configuration, just like here. This is a place where you will put the username and password. As well as the server domain, which is I just showed you before, snowflakescomputing.com, database names, the schema names, the warehouse, and the roles account. By default, you can use tracing4 to start. One more thing you probably needed to confirm is you need to make sure your warehouse is starting. If it's suspending, then the ODBC cannot connect. So to check that, you can go back to the warehouse, go back to the admin here, making sure the status is started. Otherwise, you can use triple dot here to make sure it's started. Okay, so once it has been configured, typically what I did is I just click on test, want to make sure the password is correct. I'll make sure it's good. Okay, so now you have received the success connection to the data source. So this just give you a peace of mind that this is a good configurations. Once this configuration is done, you can go to the Iguana and using the db.connect to connect into your database. In here, instead of using db.ODBC, use db.access. This is one of the cheat sheet here. By default, we use the ODBC connection. If we use db.access, the name will be Snowflakes, and the username will be test, and the password, of course, I just created one. And other than that, it's good. Then you should be able to get your connection here, as well as when you use this search queries, you should be able to see your results on the back here. Okay, so that's kind of show you a quick way how you can connect with ODBC. See you later. Bye.